Exciting announcement. Blum new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Blum airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. Blum listing date and important information. When is Blum listing date? The Blum token is soon to be listed on exchanges, with the official listing date expected to happen in spring 2025. While the exact date has not been confirmed yet, Blum's TGE is set to take place in April 2025, and updates will be provided on Blum's official channels as the listing date approaches. Stay tuned for more information in the coming weeks. Blum price predictions. Price predictions for Blum tokens are speculative, with short-term estimates around $0.02 in 2025. Some long-term forecasts are more optimistic, with potential growth to $0.40 by 2025 or beyond. However, as with any crypto investment, prices can fluctuate significantly based on market conditions. Important considerations for investors. Before investing in Blum tokens, consider the following. Market volatility. Expect significant price fluctuations, typical of cryptocurrency investments. Research. Understand Blum's business model and future plans to evaluate the project's potential. Diversification. To manage risk, avoid putting all your investment into a single asset. Stay informed. Keep up with official Blum announcements to stay updated on the latest developments. Blum appears to be a legitimate project in the Web3 and decentralized trading space, with strong backing from experienced leaders and prominent investors. Blum has raised $5 million in pre-seed and seed funding, securing investment from respected firms like Gumi Crypto's Capital, Spartan, and OKX Ventures. With 10 million members on Telegram and a strong presence on the TON blockchain, Blum has already made impressive strides. Its plans for multi-chain expansion and AI-powered features show that it's on track for continued growth, making it a project with solid potential. Blum offers flexibility to users with its hybrid exchange model. You can choose to trade using a custodial wallet for ease of use or a non-custodial wallet for full control over your private keys. This flexibility appeals to both new and experienced crypto users. Blum also has a gamified rewards system that encourages user participation. The drop game. This is the main way to earn Blum points. In the game, you tap on falling items, like crystals, to collect points. The more you play, the more points you earn. Social tasks. Completing social media tasks, such as following Blum's accounts or sharing posts, rewards users with additional points. Referral program. You can also earn points by inviting friends to join Blum. When your referrals complete tasks, you earn a percentage of their points. Point farming. Blum lets you farm points by simply logging in regularly and completing small daily tasks, which helps increase your total points over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Tapcoin airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.